two heavyweight insurance giants. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, the fast-talking, famously quirky Geico, and on the right, the trusted, reliable Liberty Mutual. Let's skip the marketing lingo and dig into what matters most. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. The final verdict might just surprise you. Okay, real quick here, the game plan. We're going to walk through price, coverage options, digital experience, customer satisfaction, and oh yeah, where you can actually use each one. Let's see how these two line up. So first up, price. Geico is honestly kind of infamous for low rates. They've built their whole brand on being crazy affordable, and yeah, it's not just hype. Usually you're looking at some of the cheapest rates out there, and there are discounts for pretty much everything. Of course, if you file a claim, that price might jump, so just keep that in mind. Now, Liberty Mutual. It's decent, especially if you're bundling, but the premiums are usually higher than Geico's. If your number one concern is saving money right now, Geico's taking the win here. Coverage options time. Geico covers the basics really well, like you're totally protected on the standard stuff, and they toss in things like mechanical breakdown insurance, which is actually kinda cool. But if you want all the bells and whistles, you might find Geico's extras a little sparse. On the other hand, Liberty Mutual, oh, and here's something cool, they've got a ton of customizations. Better car replacement, coverage for custom parts, random niche endorsements that'll cover just about any situation if you're willing to pay a little extra. So, if you like to personalize your coverage, Liberty Mutual is hands down the winner for this one. Let's get nerdy for a second and talk about digital experience. Geico's app you've probably seen people raving about it. Honestly, it's one of the best. Getting a quote, filing a claim, even managing your policy. It's super quick and easy. The one thing that's kinda annoying is if you want to do something super specific, you might still have to call. Liberty Mutual's app is solid, don't get me wrong, and the website is really clean. But it just feels like Geico has the edge, more features, more polish, and just smoother. So yeah, Geico shines here too. Oh, and here's a fun fact for you. Did you know Geico started out in 1936 insuring government employees? Kind of wild how it became the juggernaut it is now. Now, customer satisfaction is always a toss-up, right? Geico typically gets above average scores and people love how quickly they process claims, but if you want a super helpful agent, sometimes reviews are a little so-so. Liberty Mutual has a good agent network if you want a go-to person, but their claims satisfaction, could be better. Between the two, Geico seems to make more people happy overall, so they get the nod. And finally, availability, because none of this matters if you can't actually buy the policy where you live. Good news, both Geico and Liberty Mutual cover all 50 states. Seriously, you're good with either. Total tie on this one. Alright, if you're a visual learner, imagine a radar chart here. You'd see Geico spiking on price and digital tools, Liberty Mutual showing off on coverage options. But yeah, Geico's got some pretty solid coverage in most spots. So, final thoughts, who should pick what? If you're all about keeping costs down and you want to manage everything online without a ton of hassle, Geico is basically made for you. But if you love the idea of tricking out your policy with unique coverages and custom add-ons, Liberty Mutual could actually be worth those extra bucks. If you found this helpful and want more breakdowns like this, hey, go ahead and follow for more smart insurance comparisons.